Finding the right DTF transfer printer can make a huge difference in print quality, production speed, and overall workflow. Some machines are built for beginners, while others are designed for growing businesses that need reliable daily output. Here are 5 impressive DTF printers that stand out in 2026, ranked from number 5 to number 1. Number 5. Achi DTF Printer. The Achi DTF Printer earns its place on this list because it focuses on something every DTF user eventually worries about: keeping white ink flowing properly and avoiding printhead issues. Anyone who has spent time with DTF printing knows that white ink maintenance can be one of the biggest challenges, and Achi tackles that problem with a comprehensive circulation system that includes stirring, circulation, and printhead cleaning functions. In real-world use, that translates to fewer interruptions and more consistent print quality over time. What I particularly like about this machine is its versatility. Whether you're producing custom t-shirts, caps, tote bags, pillow covers, socks, or denim designs, it handles a wide range of applications without feeling limited to one niche. The overall workflow is also surprisingly efficient, with the complete transfer process taking less than 10 minutes, which is a major advantage for small businesses dealing with steady customer orders. Another area where Achi performs well is support. Many printers look great until something goes wrong, and that's where responsive technical assistance becomes valuable. The included tutorials make setup easier, while the around-the-clock support team adds confidence for new users. The printhead warranty is relatively short compared to some competitors, but the replacement coverage provides added reassurance. Overall, this printer offers a balanced combination of speed, reliability, and versatility. For small businesses and creative entrepreneurs wanting dependable DTF production, the Achi DTF Printer is a smart buy. Number 4. OYfame A4. The OYfame A4 is one of those printers that feels designed with practicality in mind. Instead of focusing on flashy claims, it delivers features that genuinely improve day-to-day printing. The standout here is the white ink mixing system, which helps maintain ink consistency and reduces the common frustrations associated with uneven white layers. That means cleaner transfers and more predictable results, especially during longer print sessions. A feature I appreciate is its ability to work with both roll film and sheet film. That flexibility allows users to switch between different production styles without needing separate equipment. The included roll holder further improves workflow, making continuous printing much smoother when handling larger batches. Maintenance is another strong point. The preheating system and automatic nozzle cleaning functions work together to minimize ink-related problems and reduce downtime. For anyone running a small apparel business, less maintenance means more time spent producing sellable products. The F13 XP600 printhead provides a solid balance between print quality and operating costs. Colors appear vibrant, details remain sharp, and the machine delivers respectable speed for its class. Network printing support and automatic paper feeding also make operation more convenient, particularly in busy work environments. Its A4 size naturally limits larger print jobs compared to some A3 competitors on this list, but for startups, hobbyists, and small custom apparel shops, that limitation may not be a major concern. The OYfame A4 offers an excellent combination of usability, flexibility, and value, making it an easy recommendation for those entering the DTF printing space. Number 3. Procolored F13. The Procolored F13 stands out as a printer built with productivity in mind. From the moment you start using it, you can tell this machine is designed for users who need dependable output and professional quality results. Its Epson R1390 printhead delivers impressive detail, producing sharp graphics and vibrant colors that look excellent on finished garments. One of the strongest aspects of this printer is its white ink management system. The combination of circulation, filtration, and stirring functions helps maintain consistent performance while reducing clogging risks. In practical terms, that means less time troubleshooting and more time printing. The ability to print white and color layers simultaneously also improves efficiency, especially when handling larger order volumes. I also like how thoughtfully the machine approaches maintenance. Automatic cleaning and built-in preheating functions help maintain print consistency without requiring constant attention. These features may sound simple, but they make a noticeable difference during long production days. The included curing oven is another major advantage. Having a complete workflow solution right out of the box simplifies setup and allows businesses to start producing finished transfers quickly. Combined with relatively low ink consumption, the printer offers solid operational efficiency. The machine does require a bit of learning for first-time DTF users, particularly when optimizing settings for different materials. However, once dialed in, the results are consistently impressive. For growing businesses that need reliable production, professional print quality, and strong overall value, the Procolored F13 is a highly recommended choice. Number 2. Punehod DTF-L1800. The Punehod DTF-L1800 earns the runner-up position because it combines excellent print quality with features that genuinely improve efficiency. Right away, the built-in cutter grabs attention. It may seem like a small addition, but eliminating manual cutting saves time, reduces waste, and creates a smoother production process, especially for users handling frequent orders. Print quality is one of this machine's strongest areas. The high-resolution output produces rich colors, smooth gradients, and crisp details that look professional on finished garments. The 6-color printing system helps achieve more accurate color reproduction, which is particularly important for detailed artwork and photographic designs. Reliability is another reason this printer ranks so highly. The advanced filtration pump works to reduce clogging, while the white ink circulation system keeps ink moving continuously. These features contribute to a more dependable workflow and fewer interruptions. For anyone operating a small business, reliability often matters just as much as raw print quality. The preheating function also improves consistency by helping the ink settle correctly before transfer processing. Combined with the platform heating system and automatic reset function, daily operation feels smoother and less frustrating. I particularly appreciate the large ink bottle capacity. Fewer refills mean longer production runs and greater efficiency during busy periods. Add in remote technical support and detailed instructional resources, and the learning curve becomes much easier for beginners. Although setup may require some patience initially, the overall package delivers excellent performance and strong long-term value. For users seeking dependable production with impressive print quality, the Punehod DTF-L1800 is an outstanding investment. Number 1. Miflame A3 XP600. Taking the top spot is the Miflame A3 XP600, a printer that delivers one of the most complete DTF printing experiences available in 2026. What impressed me most is how effectively it balances print quality, production speed, reliability, and user-friendly operation. It feels equally capable in a growing business environment or a serious home-based production setup. The Epson XP600 printhead produces exceptionally sharp images with vibrant colors and excellent detail. Whether printing bold graphics, intricate artwork, or detailed photographic designs, the output consistently looks professional. The printer also handles a wide variety of materials, including cotton, polyester, leather, hoodies, jeans, and other fabric products, making it highly versatile. Production efficiency is another major strength. With output reaching up to 2 square meters per hour, the printer is capable of handling demanding workloads without sacrificing quality. That balance between speed and precision is exactly what many apparel businesses need as they scale. Its white ink circulation and stirring systems help maintain stable performance while reducing clogging concerns. The integrated heating function further improves transfer quality and durability, creating prints that look great and hold up well over time. I also appreciate the practical design choices. The suction platform keeps film stable during printing, reducing alignment issues and minimizing waste. The electric lifting system makes setup easier and contributes to a smoother overall workflow. Backed by a generous 2-year warranty and remote support, the Miflame A3 XP600 offers exceptional confidence for buyers. For anyone seeking the best overall combination of quality, speed, reliability, and versatility, this is the DTF printer I would recommend first. Those are my picks for the 5 best DTF transfer printers in 2026. Each model offers something different, whether you prioritize speed, print quality, ease of maintenance, or business scalability. Which one would you choose for your setup? Share your thoughts below, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews.